Hello, my friends. Welcome to Pure Living. The new year finally on the doorstep. Are you ready to welcome the new year 2021? I am ready. Here I am going to share with you 10 simple and easy to manage new year resolution ideas for your daily life. No one is perfect in this world. No one is there on the right way all the time because we are human. But everyone want to go ahead. Everyone want to say bye-bye to negativity from life. Everyone want to stay happy and successful in life. And for that, we should be more advanced and well prepared. Every small positive changes make a big impact in our life together. So before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for new video notifications. The first resolution idea is at least 3 to 5 minutes meditation in the morning. Start your day with at least 3 to 5 minutes meditation after waking up in the morning. Meditation makes our mind more advanced for the new challenges in life to deal with any unknown or hard situation. So small amount of meditation in the morning, and if you want you can make time for meditation later. Next, exercise daily. Eating food keep our body active because active body needs nutrition. As it is very important to eating food, on the other side daily exercise important for refresh our body. Daily exercise make me more productive for whole day and diseaseless. 3 deep breath before and after serious work. In your life, you have to join so many serious work or tasks, and after working for so long, your brain carry that thought. That thought did not leave you free for the next other work. You cannot be ready freshly. So every time after and before join your work, take 2 or 3 deep breath to refresh and ready for next. Because deep breath is a process to clean up the toxins from your mind. Drink enough water. Drinking enough water flushes out the toxins from our body. It makes our body well energetic and clear our brain, make our skin glowing. To avoid forgetting, store your entire day's water stock in the morning, then finish it within the day. So drink sufficient water whole day. Stay healthy and one step ahead. Next, brush your teeth twice a day. Whole day you are eating so much food, sugary to oily and fried foods, chocolate, pastries, light foods to rich foods, and it all going through your mouth and teeth. So it need to get clean, freshen up, otherwise your teeth and gums will respond badly. So make sure you are brushing your teeth in both morning and at night before bed. Next, sometimes stay away from your phone. In your phone, you may have installed so many apps for game and social media, and whole day you are engaged with it. But how long? Please control yourself to use it all the day. Sometimes in your day, you should turn on do not disturb mode, like dinner time, driving time, meditation time, and definitely in your family times. Next, make your writing habit. Writing habit is an unique habit. Successful persons are writing their diary daily, and also I am. It's a great part of my life. I am very much passionate with my pen and diary. Writing habit always healing our mind. If you write some pages daily, your mind will be more clear, more calming. It increases the happiness in our mind. Do you have this habit? If you are already with this habit, please let me know by comment below. If not, then you can start from today. You can do a hack to make your writing habit more interesting. You keep some collections of beautiful and variety of pen and diary on your table. Next, change your chocolate. If you have a habit of eating chocolate, then try to switching to dark chocolate instead. because dark chocolate has a lot of health benefits. So in this way you can keep eating chocolate habit and achieving health benefits both. I'm taking this Excellence dark chocolate. It have 85% of cocoa. Take healthy foods daily. For whole the day, what you eat, that foods make a part of your body and your body becomes ready to respond like that. If you eat healthy foods, your body will be healthy all the time. If you are with healthy body, then definitely you are one step ahead for your successful life. Next, plant some greenery. Planting of greenery is an honest activity. I have so much indoor plants at my home. Indoor house plant not only increase the beauty of home but also it refresh the air inside the home. It purifies the air quality from toxins and harmful chemicals inside the house. If you have not, you make your own indoor plant. When you are staying at home, your indoor house plant will inspire you a lot all the time. So that's all for this video. I am sending all the good wishes for you. Have a happy and prosperous New Year 2021.